Creating beautiful and amazing guitar melodies is always difficult. I also faced that, when I was learning how to make beats. So today I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing guitar melodies just using your VSTs. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. And right in FL Studio, we're just going to set our tempo. This tempo is always the first thing you always try to set when making a beat. So I'm going to drag in my tempo to the tempo of 101. I think that's the tempo I want to work with. And I'm just going to go load in a guitar, because it's actually good to have a nice sounding guitar VST in order to get those realistic guitar feel. Session guitarist, I'm just going to use the Delos pack where we have the melody. So the first thing I always do when creating my guitar groove is to create the chord progression. Alright, so the chord I'm going to be working is I'm going to be moving from my 4 to the 6 to the 5, 4, 6, 5 progression. The chords are, so we're going to have something like this. Then to our 5. So that's a very simple chord progression. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. So I have something like this. Yeah, I think I need on that one here. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, I think I've gotten the melody. So it's just the same thing we're gonna do. Let's put it. Let's extend it. Yeah, let me try to play something else. Let's see. Nice. So this sounds really amazing. So the next thing is to try to create those realistic feel by putting in some articulation. It's called articulation. So let's just open up, and you can play around with these notes here, and it's going to give you some nice articulations. So what I'm going to do is just go down, I think it's around C3, and try to create some nice articulation note. I just need to put it in the right place where I feel like it's nice. I think I want to put on that one here. Yeah, so nice. It's sounding really nice. I like the way it's sounding. So the next thing I can do is just add in, some effects to give it that really realistic feel. And what I can do is using like guitar rig, clean, let's just see what this sounds like. Yeah, so I think I like these presets. So just add in some EQ, and yeah, you have some nice sounding guitar. Yeah, so I can start, we can start layering in our drums and, creating a nice groovy beat. So I can actually just do this on the channel rack, because this is kind of the vibe that I want. But, I'm still going to go to my piano roll just to increase the velocity. Right, guys, so let's just increase the velocity. We have this. Yeah, go to my, my master, put in my soft clipper. Nice. So I like that. I love the way that's going. Yeah, next thing I'm just gonna add in some nice percussion. And guys, once you can have like a nice guitar vibe, trust me, everything is just gonna fall in place. Everything's just gonna sound amazing. So I think I wanna go with this. Let's see if this works. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my smack attack to tighten that up. So let's see. I want to use the 3. I want to use the 3. So now let's just play around with our bass. Yeah. Yeah, so let me go over to it's been a while I actually use peculiar sound. I just need some glide sounds. Let's see if we can. Yeah, so for this, I want to just take out some of the heights. So for this guitar, I think I want to add like, like a reverb on it. Let me go with the fruity reverb too. I'm gonna add my favorite conga, and if you want to get this conga, all you just have to do is just be on the Patreon, and by now you should have gotten the vibe. This is a vibe. This is sweet, nice, sweet, melodious, groovy vibe. You don't have to have like thousands of sounds playing before you have a very good beat. For this kind of beat now, the artist's voice can just shine on top of it, man. So let's see if we can add colors back, some drum fills. Yeah, I think go with this. Yeah. This is fire. This sounds amazing. With just a very simple chord progression and simple guitar, we're able to play around with our melody. So just breaking down your chords, adding some nice articulations can actually give you that realistic guitar feel. So we have this. And once you have like a nice guitar, every other thing is gonna follow. So let's listen to this. Alright guys, so I hope you got something from this. This is another video where I'm just showing you guys how you can just easily